Yeah, good morning all. Welcome to today's session, New Trends in Computer Technology. Every day we are dealing with the new concepts, right? So the new concepts will be discussed here. Okay, now let me open the presentation, New Trends presentation. We can see that in this. Yesterday, from past 3 days, we have been discussing. From past periods, we have been discussing what are the number series, how to generate the number series. Yesterday also revised it, and we discussed about week names and month names, how to generate. And coming to VLOOKUP function also we discussed. VLOOKUP function also we discussed. And what is the VLOOKUP function? What is the format it is there? We discussed. It has been created. And coming to data analysis concept. Yesterday, due to time being, we are not able to cover it. So I will let you know that these functions. What is that? Count fs and sum fs and max fs and filters. What are the various things are there? We are going to discuss about it. Okay. So yes, in that I'm going to open the Excel. Yes, this is the Excel sheet I'm opening. In that Excel sheet, we have taken that large volume of data set. We have taken that data analysis is there. We can see that. Yes. So yesterday, this is the table what we have been taken. Okay. So this is the table what we have been taken. So here number of records are there. Almost 4,440 records are there. This is the database of one sales company. So how many people are purchased, how many people are visited the site, and how many people are registered with them, how many just visited, how many of them are added to the cart, how many are paid amount, how many purchased, completed the purchase amount, and how many people are paid amount. So here we can see this last column showing that amount, what amount they have been purchased. We can see that clearly. Here also, any of the column, if you are not able to see, just double click on the slit of these two columns. Automatically it will be expanded, the data will be visible to you. So if you expand all the things, the time is, space is not shown. We need to go here and there, so that I am adjusting with this width only, like this. Yeah. So here the purchased amount is there. In this purchased amount, somebody's purchased amount is not there. That means they have not successfully purchased some amount, right? So this is kind of a data analysis will be there. In this, now I told you yesterday, we can also use the formulas. Without converting table also we can create the formulas, but creating table is very easy for us. Already yesterday I told you, just I will give you a small recap, and I will go with the next concept. Now here what I am doing is, in this place, I am going to create another field that is called status of the employee, whether they have purchased any items or not. Now here I am going to give it as status. In the status, just see, there's the same thing yesterday in the last hours what I told. Just I am recapping it, and I will continue with that, right? So here in the status, what status I need to know. I need to go for apply the if condition in this. Conditional also we can do that. In this conditional, if anybody purchase amount is there, we can say that somebody they have purchased. If it is not there, we can ignore it. So that how can you identify? You cannot make it as empty. So that is data is inconsistency process. So that we need to make it consistent. How can you make it consistent? We need to give a table something like is equals to if okay, if I need to go for a condition. What condition? If the purchase amount is there, not here. Here I need to go for is equals to if. Once you type if, automatically it will be suggested. Just click on this, double click on this, automatically it will come. And a logical condition. What is the condition we are giving? Under the purchase amount, what is the amount is there? That amount is equals to 0. When we are giving the condition like 0, what will happen? So if it is 0, there is no purchase amount, so that they have not made any transactions. For that reason, what I am doing is, I am going to give it as a double quotation. In the double quotation, is purchased? No, he has not purchased anything. So that I am going to give like this. Now see, it is closed if the condition is true. When condition is true, I am checking that condition is empty. So that condition is true and providing with this, right? If it is not null, then I need to go for yes, they have purchased something. Okay, so it's a kind of a thing I need to know like this. Yeah, I'm entering. Now it is showing that yes, it is continuously focused. Now here in this formula, directly in Excel sheet, what is the problem is, once the formula has been created, what happens? We need to concentrate more on that, isn't it? Now we need to take extra thing. What is the extra thing I am doing? Here, once we are coming to this place, we need to fill the same formula what we have prepared, right? So this is called autofill, and I will take it into filling concept, so that you need to hold that. Yesterday also I told you that here we need to hold to entire records must be scrolled, isn't it? Now see that. So entire records up to last record we need to stop. Otherwise, it won't fill all the information to last record. Till the last record I should go for. Now see that. So there may be here, for example, I took only this one. I took only these many number of records I took. 444 records I took. But in some records, in real-time companies, we may have lakhs of records. If you are taking Amazon selling and Google selling and any kind of e-commerce selling, it will take too much number of records will be there. Now we cannot hold and fill the columns, all these formulas like this. It will take more time, right? So what I am doing is, just I am going to make it duplicate copy for this. I am going to make a duplicate copy for this. So when you click on the top right corner, entire sheet will be selected. Just observe that. Here what I am doing is, here I am clicking top right corner of the Excel sheet, entire sheet gets selected. Once it is selected, just either Control C, otherwise go to file menu and copy it, and come to another sheet and prepared. Here hit Control V, so that all records will come here, right? Now I wanted to clear this field. Here I want to clear this field. Why I am coming to next field is that original data is different and I am creating a duplicate data. I am going to apply some topics into that. Now here I am going to clear this. So here there is a clear option. Yeah, clear data, clear content. So the content has been cleared. So actually previously data is like that. Now if you want to create tabular format, what is the advantage of tabular format is, no need to fill the handle, no need to handle any kind of thing. Is when you are converting this Excel sheet like a table, we can access, instead of the table name, instead of the column name, cell name, directly we can access by means of name of the database, name of the table and everything. Now see that here how it will happen. Just once again I am going to take it as yes, here I am going to give a status. What is the status of the person? Now I am taking. Now here just hold Control and T, so that entire table will be selected till the 444 records, all records will be selected. Now here after this, just create a table and table will be open. Here what I am doing is, here I will remove it. Here I am giving something like, what is this table? Sales table, right? I am going to rename it as sales table, so that the table will be changed. Now how we have prepared the status of the table, here I am going to apply the same proforma. Now observe that what is the formula we have applied? If condition, if function we have applied. Now also same thing, is equals to if concept I am giving. Now see that in this if I am going to test this field, logical condition, in the purchased amount it is 0, the customer has not made any purchase, right? So here I am going to take that field as a base. Now previously we used to take that I2 or I3 whatever. the cell number used to take. Now just observe this. What it is taking? Just observe. Excuse me. So here, just observe in this place what it has been taking. Name of the field, column name it is taking. What is the column name? Purchase table. It is work like a database table. Anybody having any kind of idea about the database and tables and the column names, so that they can easily understand this. So just we are converting the normal Excel sheet into table. That will help us to reduce the work, and it will give more precise results and fast result to us. Now how it is fast? I will let you know that. Now see that after this what I am doing is just I am closing it, writing the screen. Now here after this I need to go for, now see that after this I need to give a condition. If condition is true, I need to go for it need to tell that he has not made any purchase. Okay. So this is the one thing. And coming to another field, I am going to take it as in double quotation. I am going to give it as yes. Yes, I am giving. Now in this yes, if you press enter, automatically just a minute, something went wrong. What is this? Amount. Yes. If the amount is, we are not completed the condition. So what is the amount? Amount is equals to 0. When this purchase amount under the column, any of the column under purchase amount column, any of the cell under the purchase amount column is 0, for that we need to give no to the status. If it is not null, we need to give yes to the status. Now see that what will happen? Just something is yeah, purchase amount. Okay, test condition. Yeah, yes, if condition I am giving. Okay, here I will take this field. Okay, this field amount is something like 0. Then I can go for in double quotations. I will give no for this. And here I will give S. And I am closing the bracket, I am pressing enter, so that we are able to get it. Previously we are entered the is equals to 0 inside that double bracket. It is not outside double bracket we should give. Now here did I drag the formula to last of the cells? Just go there till the last column, everything is filled. In this column everything is filled, we can observe that. So just dragging the formula what we made automatically will be filled in table. That is the advantage of table. In data analysis, most of the data analysis we will go that. Do you understand this? So this is the importance of table, and we are moving on to next level. In this table we have completed like this. Now in this I am talking about count if. I want to count how many number of transactions the respective customer. If I give the customer, we will not remember the customer transaction. I need to identify the customer name, how many number of transactions they made, right? So how many transactions they made, we are going to display here in this third sheet, not in this first sheet. I am going to third sheet. How it will be? Now see that the formula for this is the data has been prepared like this. The formula for this is like, so we made it as simple sales, right? So entire worksheet treat like a sales. In that the first name, whose first name is so and so, whatever the first name we are giving there, the first name value from this field it will be taken. Just for example I have given that. Once you are given that, the analysis will be in this manner. Suppose here I took count IFS and sales first name. Sales is the name of the database what we prepared just now, the table. From the table first name column, whose first name column is D4. D4 means in this we can observe that this is called D4. D and 4, Sarayu. Sarayu customer, whose customer name is Sarayu, they how many number of transactions they made. Even if you analyze it at original sheet also, it will be the same thing. Okay. Now here I am going to prepare this one. Yesterday I tried to told this one, but because by 12 o'clock I have another class, so that I stopped there. Now I'm going to show that practically. Now see that in this, here I'm coming to sheet 3. Here I'm preparing. Here sheet I'm preparing. I'm merging everything. Here customer report. Customer report. What is the report? How many transactions they made, how much amount they have spent, like that. I wanted to know the information. So here I'm preparing the data. What is the data I'm taking? So I will take here name of the customer. Here I will get the result. Here it is treat like an input. I am filling with a different column to identify differently, so that I am taking it a light column. So here it is work like an input. What is the data we are giving into this input? The data will be retrieved from this sheet 1, from this database table, and extract only the data, what data we are demanding, we are asking. That data will be retrieved and summarized there. How it will be summarized? Just see that here name I am giving. So name something like what is the name we will take? Randomly we can take any name. It should be under the first name. First name is second name also we can take, but here I am going to give that based on that name. Here first name, under the first name we have Prerana. Prerana is the name of the customer. I want to get the detail about the Prerana. First of all we need to feed something. If you want to change it to any customer, we can change it. Now here I am giving Prerana. Prerana means P is capital, right? Prerana I am taking. Got it. Prerana is the name. Now here what I wanted to know is transactions. How many transactions she made with us? How many means the count, right? We need to count how many number of transactions she made till now with us. Is he rare customer? Is he regular customer? Is he who are taking more customer? How many transactions they are making with us? We can call it as regular customer to them, right? So they regular, daily they are ordering something, so that we can give some offers to them. We can give some discount to them as a regular offers. So I wanted to identify that based on the count of the transactions which they made with us. So we need to go for like this. At that moment also in this, not in a company. So your manager asks you to know the details about the particular employee. How many leaves? Somebody asking as an employee, you may go to your what do you call? You may go to your manager and you are applied for the leave. So that manager thought that you are applying many leaves. So that same names may be there. By confuse also, by confirmation also, they may think differently that you are asking more. You are took already more leaves. So how many leaves available? So she wanted to know the information. So that automatically they will make a call to the assistant and know the information about your CLs. Whether your CLs are pending or are utilized all the CLs, or can we give that CL or not. Based on that they need to know. So here employees means thousands of employees will be there in MNC. Can you search a particular employee? No, it's not possible. If you want to search also, somewhere one it's a day by transactions, day 1, day 2, day 3, something like this. So at that moment, if you want to get the information about the particular employee, just we need to create this form. If you readily create this form, it is very easy to get the data. Now I wanted to get the data for the Prerana from the 444 records. I want to get the Prerana. Here with the help of filter also you can do that. Now see that in the filter, if you go for the filter concept, in the data there is a filter concept. So filter is applied. I wanted to select. I wanted to deselect all the things. I need to scroll up. I wanted to scroll up to Prerana. Okay, like this we need to scroll up and scroll down and search for Prerana. Like Prerana. If you select it, here we can see that. Again, we need to know the status of it. We need to select all the fields. Okay, we need to select all the fields. Also automatic sum will be displayed, but not this. If we enter their name, the information has to come. How many transactions they have given? 5 transactions. Count is 5. how much amount they are spent with us? 2,920 rupees. Right. So this is the kind of information we need to get. But every time we cannot see in the status bar, right? So we need to prepare. Data analysis means whatever the data we are asking, we are expecting, it has to show like that. That is called data analysis. Nothing more than that. But vast data, how to do it? With the help of vast data, in the vast data, these normal procedures are not helpful to us. So that we need to go for advanced tools in Excel. Right. So in that advanced tools, we are going to do that. Here in the 3, here Prerana total number of transactions I want to go for. Here what I am doing is, so here I am going to give a formula something like count. If I type COUNT, you will find count IFS. Count IFS. In that count IFS, what we supposed to do? In that, according to the sheet, just go there. Count if sales of first name. Based on the first name, where we are giving the first name in the Excel sheet. In this first name we are giving here. Based on the first name means, first of all, from where we are getting the data, in which field we need to search the data. Now here I am giving sales. If you type sales, instead of functions, you are able to see that Excel sheet concept. Now just click on this, it will come. Once you start the array brackets like this, once you start the array brackets, which are on how many number of fields are there here, all fields will be listed out there. From that, which field we are targeting? We are targeting with the first name, right? First name. In that first name, double click on this, first name will come there, and after that I need to go for closing the bracket. Again after that, this field, for which field we need to match, somewhere we have field, right? That cell we should take. H4 I took. In H4 I took that. So I need to close it. I need to close it, right? When we are closing it, automatically the count transactions. Here how many number of transactions we are getting? There also we are getting the same number of transactions. Got it? So it is very easy. Now here the filtration is for only Prerana, but this will be the advanced thing. Now here I am removing the filter, all records are printing. Simply take another one. What is that? Suman. I want to know the information about the Suman. Then come back to this place. Come back here. Just change the name. Just change the name. What is the name of it? Suman. Now Suman I am giving. Got it? 9 records. You want to confirm these number of transactions made Suman with us? Yes. Now go there. Again, go to the filter. Go to the filter, and in this filter, no, it's selected, right? So it is applying only for that. So here I wanted to go for all the fields. Here in the first name I want to go. Just I will deselecting it. Just go with that. Go to last. P, E, F, G, H, yeah, P. No, Suman. Suman means SU or S. After S only it will come. So like this, the time will be wasted here to look at that particular name, to filter. SUMAN, yes, Suman is there. Now we can observe that. How many number of transactions? How many number of transactions we are making? Here the count is for Suman. It is totally 9 number of transactions has to be. Just a minute. We are taking Suman only. So here empty fields it is taking, but transactions are total transactions. Somebody purchases something not purchased. So the total number of transactions are 9. You can observe that. Here we can see that how many number of transactions we have made. They have made with us. This is count. I think you understand this one. So like this type of concept, easily we can go for. Not that I want to identify how much amount they have spent with us. How much they have spent with us. Based on the amount spent with us, we can give some base points, some points to discount points, some offers we can give that, right? So I want to identify that. I want to know what are the how much amount they have somebody make transactions, somebody make huge amount. Based on the amount you are giving the transaction, based on the number of purchases you are giving the discounts. That is offered. Many online apps are to attract the customer, they are giving some offers. So somebody based on the number of transactions they will give the offers. Somebody will give how much amount you have spent. Based on that they were giving some what is that, points. Based on the points we will give some discounts. Even JioMart also we have, we are to and Zomato also. Some almost all web apps, all apps will go like this, right? Now I am going to show that. So I wanted to find the sum, right? In this sum, tricks 2 I am going to take out here. Second, so it is the count, right? So it is count. Now I am going to talk about sum of the field. But here comparatively count, this summation is little complex, but it is not difficulty. If you concentrate, it is very easy. But there we are taking only two columns. Here we need to supply 3 parameters to this function. How it will be means, sum column, on what column we need to make the sum again, and target column, for which target column we are giving. So what is the source input, that will be given like this. So here I given sales purchase amount. I want to combine the purchase amount of this one. Just I will show here. In this we have selected, right? So here this is the purchase amount. I want to make a sum of it. I want to make a sum of it. Sum of it we are able to see that 2765. But this sum I want to display here. This sum I want to display here. Amount spent. I am going to give that amount spent. Amount spent. Amount spent. Right. In this amount spent, I want to find out the sum of it. Sum of the transactions of a particular person, not with the sum of all. If you are taking the sum of all the things, directly we can give that sales. Here I am giving something like here, if sum of which field in sales table, total sales, how much total sales has done till now of purchase amount, right? So here I am going to take that purchase amount. So this is the purchase amount. Got it? So here so there, yes, I am giving that, yeah, purchase amount. Total amount I am taking, not for the particular customer. Yes, I will make it as particular customer. Now when I am taking like this sum is helpful to us. This sum is helpful to us, right? So we are going to get the sum of it. The total purchase sum of this sheet. This sheet total sum, not for the particular people. But I want to make a particular people sum I required, not all the customers purchased amount. I need to give a base points or some discount to the customer based on the amount how much they have spent. That is the most important thing to us, right? So I am going to do that. Now how can you extend it to particular people? Here in this I need to go for again sales. In the sales table only, here this is not suitable for us. I need to give FS. I need to take this one. Here it need some criteria. Sales people I am taking. In this I will take comma, and after this in the sales only. So here I am giving the sales. Okay. In that sales I will take it as, so which amount, purchase amount I need to take. Purchase amount I need to take. Later after this particular amount, right? So I am searching in purchase amount of a particular, this is not purchase amount, just a minute, of the particular name, right? So that I am going to give that first name, whose name I am giving, that particular person name I need to get. But where that whose name you are specifying in that particular field, here I am going to specify it. Now press enter. Okay, how much amount we are getting? 2765. Again come back, 2765. So these are multiple number of ways are there to analyze the data. Data analysis is not a good big thing, but we should know what are the various functions are there and what are the function importance of that function, where we have to use that function, when we have to use that function. టైం అది కూడా కావాలి, ఏ టైంలో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో కావాలి, ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో కావాలి, ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో కావాలి. రాంగ్ టైంలో రైట్ పని చేసినా తప్పే, రైట్ పనిలో రాంగ్ పని చేసినా తప్పే, అవునా కదా. సో లైక్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ షుడ్ నో ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. అన్నీ తెలిసి ఉండాలి మనకి, ఇందులో ప్రతిదీ మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. మనకు తెలిసిన ప్రతిదాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా డేటా అనలైజ్ చేయాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 444 రికార్డ్స్లో ఒక సింపుల్ డేటా ఎంటర్ చేస్తే, ఒక పర్టికులర్ సింపుల్ డేటా ఎంటర్ చేస్తే we are able to get the information. Not only this, I will take another one. These two things I want to get. Here I will remove that filter, we can see all the people, and here Hindu, I want to go for the Hindu. Now see that here I am changing the name of the customer, Hindu I am giving. So if you are giving Hindu, yes I am giving Hindu. Just this form you have prepared by expecting the future, your manager may ask, somebody ask like that. So as a perfect assistant or perfect data analyst, you will be ready with this all the things. Even you don't have, you have to prepare this type of format to give the reports, right? So here I wanted to give the information about a particular customer. Now I'm entered the Hindu and press enter. Automatically if you go to original sheet and analyze it, you will get the same records. So that is the most important things we should know. But this type of things we are going to discuss in our future courses like advanced Excel. But most of the people saying that jobs are not there, we are unemployed. But some companies are shouting a lot that the employees are not getting with skills. Employees are there, human resource are enough in India, but without skills, without proper skills. If I tell some work, they will do hours together, not within minutes. So we can do that who know this type of techniques. Suppose you are asked about a particular employee details, performance details. If you take one day, manager will not prefer like this. Who can do within minutes, they will prefer the people, isn't it? So like that type of skills which is required. Not only one organization, one field, on all the fields we have such type of things. So how we are doing that? When you upgrade yourself like this, upgrade with the technology, upgrade with the trends in computer world, you will be preferred, your job will be secured. If you are not upgrading yourself, even you are getting the job with a huge package, big package, automatically they will terminate. The people who are coming with advanced skills, they will recruit. So that I suggest, చాలా మందికి చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు అప్డేట్ అవ్వండి. కొంతమంది నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు, ఇది అంత, ఇంగ్లీష్ కాదు మ్యాటర్, ఇక్కడ స్కిల్స్ ఆర్ ద మ్యాటర్. నువ్వు ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మాట్లాడి మేనేజ్ అవుతుంది, బట్ యువర్ స్కిల్స్, యువర్ వర్క్ విల్ బి ఫాస్టర్ దాన్ అదర్స్. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇంగ్లీష్ లేదు, నాకు అర్థం కాదు, డోంట్ సే ఆల్ దీస్ రీజన్స్. వీఆర్ హియర్ టు టీచ్ యూ మెనీ థింగ్స్. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రియల్లీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, just with a less cost, when you even I am taking the class, just yesterday I have started one course for Canada people. They are paying 2000 rupees per hour to learn the computer programming. Do you believe? Yes, the demand is there. So such type of people also there. So you should upgrade yourself. You should upgrade yourself with our courses. Just be ready with that, so that it is very easy and it will be benefited to you. Just stay with us and try to learn the more things. And so one more thing, one more trick also, 3-4 tricks also there, but we don't have time to spend much with this. And one more thing is, in our running course, present running course is there for us, that is okay, that is, here we can observe that this is working knowledge of computers for IBPS and RRB, IPBS clerks and RRB people. In every technology, everywhere, wherever you go, computer is mandatory. I told you in the first session itself, that is mandatory. But that requirement skills we are teaching in this course. Most of the people, they don't know. Most of the people, even if you are applying for the IBPS clerks and RRB, they are asking 6 months certificate, 6 months course certificate they are asking. That is the reason we have started this one. All the required knowledge we are composed like a course, we are giving the certification. Any of your friends who are attending this course, who are listening this, just suggest to your friends, if you are interested, come and join with the register with us. After completion of this course, just only 3 classes I guess it is prepared, and one more batch also going to start. So either register for the next batch, or if you want to continue in this batch also, we have recorded videos that will be available if you join. So try to join this course, and so that you will be benefited and you will awarded with a certificate. The certificate will be valid for applying for online jobs. Even GDP, what is that, General Post Office normal duties, they are also asking about 6 months certificate. So just try to know the importance of this certification course, what we are teaching, what we are offering. So it is started on last Friday. So just do that and take the advantage of it and get the certificate, learn the topic. Even after getting this topic certification, even you, we wish all to get the jobs in banks or RRB or somewhere. Even if you are not getting any them, by bad luck, suppose you are not getting the job, with this knowledge you can work any offices, any organizations with this basic knowledge, isn't it? So that is also one more important things we should know. Understood? So that is the thing. Every day I am going to teach this kind of things. Not only this, there are amazing things are there. Amazing things are there in computer world. But we are not upgrading. We are not updating with the skills. When you are updating the skills, then only it is possible to get the jobs. I will project some of the slides tomorrow. But how the companies are shouting, we are not getting the employees with the skills. So one of the company, recently I gone through one article, ఒక ఆర్టికల్ చదివాను. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే 80 లక్షల జాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయంట వాళ్ళ దగ్గర, 80 లక్షల జాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయంట, క్యాండిడేట్స్ దొరకట్లేదంట. మనకేమో జాబ్సే లేవని మనం అంటున్నాం, వాళ్ళేమో జాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయని అనౌన్స్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మరి ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది గ్యాప్ అంటే మనం చదువుకున్న చదువుకి అక్కడ వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిన దానికి మ్యాచింగ్ లేదు. ఆ మ్యాచింగ్ ఎలా చేయొచ్చు? బై అప్గ్రేడింగ్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్. వీ షుడ్ upgrade ourselves. When we are upgrading ourselves, opportunities are come to us. Even you may not believe, I will not go to any company. They will search me, they will call me to take classes. Even I don't know the Canada people. Yesterday, from past 1 week, they have been interviewing me. The technical people who are working in different companies, they are interviewing me. After interviewing, they are offered me the job. They are paying. Per hour 2000 means who will pay? But when you have skills, yes, we can do that. That should be a type of zeal we should have. Then we will get the opportunities. Don't search for the jobs. Job should search you when you have skills. So I am telling you confidently, I will teach you the better topics. I cover all these things. In this certification course, I trained 5,500 people from past 2015 to recent 2023 ending, isn't it? So that is a different story, but I am giving, this is a better opportunity. Just try to take advantage of it. You are paying nothing, but in personally I need to charge more, but here from ADDA they are charging very less cost. So try to understand and explain to your people, and try to understand this YouTube class also. You will get something. You will get definitely you will get some idea. Did you get any idea here? Yes, definitely you will get, isn't it? So that kind of information we should know. So that is the better way. So stay with us and listen the classes, learn the new topics. Thank you. I am closing the session. Thanks for attending the session. Okay, bye.